was another good month for global equities in May, with the World MSCI Index rising 1.4%. It was the 7th consecutive monthly rise in global equities. Tech shares did particularly well, with the BetaShares Nasdaq 100 ETF NDQ rising 4.7%. Helping markets in the month was a further decline in bond yields and the US dollar, as weaker US economic growth in the first quarter has reduced fears that the Fed will need to be aggressive in raising interest rates later this year, although the Fed is now still expected to raise rates this month in June. The Australian equity market underperformed in the month, hurt particularly by financial stocks following the federal government's decision to raise taxes on banks in the May budget. With Wall Street continuing to post record highs, the outlook for global equities remains encouraging. Importantly, the US economy continues to expand, and without as yet any upside pressures in terms of wages or prices. In turn, that means the Federal Reserve will continue to be quite cautious in how quickly it raises interest rates. In Europe, despite some isolated terrorist attacks, political risk generally is easing, with far-right parties not winning in recent elections. The Japanese market is also doing quite well, and the Japanese economy continues to recover. In terms of investment themes, I still like the tech sector. It's been doing quite well, and you can get exposure to that through the Nasdaq 100 ETF NDQ. On the view that bond yields and the US dollar will eventually start to rise, however, as the year progresses, that will also favour areas such as Japanese equities, exposure through which you can get with the BetaShares Japanese ETF HJPN, and also global banks, which do well as bond yields rise, and the ETF there would be BNKS. Hi, I'm David Bassanese, Chief Economist at BetaShares, and this has been my global market outlook for the month of June. If you'd like to see the full report, please visit the Insights section of our website. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you again next month.